Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are puddle skimboarding. A little puddle skim action. We're gonna skim here today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, subscribe. If you don't, also subscribe. One thing I want to say is this water is not cold. It's hot out. And the water is really nice and warm for me, which is really what I want. This is a 180 shove right here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. This is awesome. I feel like 3 minutes ago there was nothing here, but I guess not. So that's awesome. I mean, I guess we can continue. Well, guys, we're gonna do one more full send, 360 shove it right here. No regrets. Okay, this is it. Now, run that back one more time. Hey, this last one for real. It's starting to rain. Alright, I'll meet you guys when I get back. Safe place. Alright, peace. Yoop! Oh my gosh! I'm in a hurricane right now. Alright, this is a terrible idea, but I'm putting you guys up on my little bicycle cam here. You might ask why I'm doing this. I'm a tornado runner right now, dude. I feel like I'm in a flipping tornado. Oh gosh. But yeah, it's going down. It's going down, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for epic content like this. I know, dude. It's horrible out here. It is not firing. Oh, heavy claims. Heavy claims. My board's gonna hit my face. Heavy claims. Gnarly wipeout coming out soon, guys. I mean, I really hope not, but that's what it's kind of coming to here. Sure. Oh, it's picking up. It's picking up. Oh, it's picking up. Oh, dude, I got home just in time. Oh, that's heavy. You can see, of course, it's calming down now. I don't think you'll be able to see like the actual rain, but I'm kind of in cover right now, which is good. Oh yeah, here it comes. You kind of see it. See the rain. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, wait. Oh! Oh, no! Oh, dude, you gotta go. Heavy claims, bro. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go help him. See ya. Well, we got the guy back home. I mean, I couldn't help him a lot. I used my skimboard right there. Kind of let him rain off. But, yeah, dude, I don't even know how my phone's still alive right now. Kind of just in, like, this random warehouse. Yeah, I'm not even really close. I'm basically where I was when I started skimming. And, I have to get back home. So, it shouldn't be that bad. I mean, my phone still works. It was in that little thing right there, so I think it'll be good if I can block it off with my skimboard. Alright guys, what's up? It's the next day of all of that footage that you have just captured. If you're wondering about the guy, he is fine. I got him back to where he lives. And I got home safe too. But yeah, I couldn't get a lot of skimming in that day, obviously, because the rain kind of like moved in 100 miles per hour straight towards me, of course. But yeah. That's it for today's video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I might do another video, little redemption on the puddle skim. But besides that, hope you're having a good day, morning, afternoon, or night. Oh, got it. And yeah, that's it. Stay smooth, stay crispy. Peace.